There are many 70 years old people in the world. My grandfather and my grandmother too. I will be grandpa and my mother also be the grandmother. Or I die before, but I'm 70 years old. I will travel and go to hospital every week. First, I will travel. That's because I will take many pictures. Also, I will travel in Korea. I will go to Seoul, Suwon, and Jeonju and take a picture. I will take picture in Korea, Suwon and Hanokmaul, and I will go more in Korea. I'm excited when I'm traveling. Second, I will go to hospital every week. That's because I'm not strong. I'm sick every day. My friends are doctors, but I will make healthy to do my best. I will be exercise and eat some good food. I will healthy until I die. In conclusion, when I'm 70 years old, I will to travel and go to hospital. Thank you for listening.